Here I have Nokia 8.3 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to enter boot mode on this device. So first of all, what you have to do is to turn it off by holding power key and tap power off. And after it turns off completely, what you have to do is to connect your device to the charger, and then hold down and then you have to hold down volume down and power key like this. And that's how you enter boot mode. Here at the boot mode you have such options as restart bootloader, use volume up to navigate through the boot mode, and volume down to select options. So you have such options as start, boot to QMMI, boot to FFBM, power off, recovery mode, restart bootloader, and start. So if you want to exit this mode, just select option start with volume down button. So you can navigate using both volume keys, and select with power key. Select start if you want to restart your device. And exit boot mode. And that's it. So thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.